Hi there, my name is Dr. Chartria Collier, and thank you so much for coming to my workshop, Legacy, the Positive Socialization of Black Students in Schools. This is my life's work, and I just want to share a little bit about who I am and why we are exploring this topic today. First of all, I come from a family of uh, folks who have committed their life to the upliftment of particularly all humans, specifically Black humans. I want to share a little bit about my grandmother, Pearlie Mae Collier. My grandmother was one of the most influential people of my life. She basically raised myself along with my siblings, and she was a domestic in the South, in Tennessee, during a time where it was racially segregated and it was not an easy road, but her strength continues to inspire me today. I also want to share a little bit about my father, Dr. Maxie Collier, who was one of the first cohorts of African Americans to attend Vanderbilt University, along with my mother, Dr. Betty Burston, and a continued legacy of people who have committed their life to equity and justice of uplifting our children. The reason why I start with this is because the program that I'm going to share with you during this workshop, Sankofa, which stands for Learning from Our Past to Protect Our Future, was designed because we knew that the reason why many of us, particularly folks in the African diaspora, are still here today is because of the legacy of those who came before us. And also, as a mother of a beautiful 7-year-old Black child, it's the legacy of those who will come after us. So, this work and in this workshop, you are going to learn a few things. First, we're going to look at some data around Black children and families and success in schools. Next, we're going to look at some of the strategies that we use in the Sankofa program to support the positive racial socialization of Black students. Lastly, we are going to look at ways that we can go back to our communities, assess if we are effectively supporting Black students, and ways to continue to advocate for Black students and families. I'm extremely excited to share more with you, and I look forward to seeing you soon.